Hello, I'm Sven and welcome back to Halo 2. We're back with the Master Chief and the realization that the Flood has invaded us by
Flood
crashing
control
a
the
literal
dropships are
ship on
touching down
us.
all over the city. That creature beneath the library, that grave mine, used us. We were just a diversion. An amber clad was always its intended vector. There's a conduit connecting this tower to the ship. Head back inside. I'll lead you to it.
So we've usually been tricked into helping this evil mine, and now they're sending a bunch of guys down to, well, to consume this entire place. Oh god, they're still finding words, not good. Oh, shoot that into a little bit. Ow, ow, ow. I don't think shotgun is gonna be a good thing here, but I'm gonna try. Your shotgun's really good against flood, but up against roots, not really.
Flood controlled dropships are touching down all over the city. That creature beneath the library, that grave mine, used us. We were just a diversion. An amber clad was always its intended vector. There's a conduit connecting this tower to the ship. Head back inside. I'll lead you to it.
Oh, he's down. Alright, thanks. Oh god, I think they're being infested, I think. Oh shoot, I just dashed forward on my Q. I pressed Q by accident. Oopsie. Almost killed me by that accident. Oh, shoot, man. Ouch. This is gonna be tough. I had to get through the roots and also these explosive guys that this airship drops down, which is not good.
Dropships are touching down all over the city. That creature beneath the library, that grave mine, used us. We were just a diversion. An amber clad was always its
Alright,
intended vector. There's a conduit
I
connecting
missed.
this tower to the
I
ship.
missed.
Head back inside. I'll lead you to it.
Alright. I'm gonna let these guys kill each other, and then we're just gonna walk in here. Throw a couple good grenades across the map. Oh, that's a stick. That's a really lovely, lovely stick. That's not lovely. Oh, come on. You have to be.
Prince Phantom is nearing the Forerunner ship.
Oh, please pick up it. Alright. Let's reply. We got it. At least there's no brute infested. That would be a nightmare for me to deal with. Oh god. Oh god. Oh goodness sake. I just flooded the entire place up. Okay. I have a couple shotgun shells left. And one of them didn't kill this one guy. Well, I should have just blasted them across from a distance. Would have been safer.
Flood-controlled dropships are touching down all
I
over
see
the
the
city.
hair piece. It's a little bit to the left side
The
here.
library, that grave mine, used us. We were just a
Hello?
diversion.
Oh, there we
Amber
go.
clad was always its intended
Oh,
vector. There's a conduit connecting this tower to the ship. Head back inside. I'll lead you to it.
alright. Oh, okay. Reload here. What? Okay. For fun? For fun. I'm gonna have to kill this guy here. Because he's kind of in the way. And then that, let's throw some two grenades down here. Two grenades across them here. Okay. I'm a little bit in a better position now. Okay, not anymore.
We don't have time for this, Chief. Truth's Phantom is nearing the Forerunner ship.
I know. I don't go to that, but these dudes are kind of tanky compared to the regular Covenant enemies. And there's a lot of blood as well, so in all honesty, I wish I can, but I cannot. Plus, they are coming really close, and one of them has a shotgun. Well, one of them also has a demon. Okay, let's continue forward. I don't want to use a carbine in here. Let's see. No, actually, that's gonna hit it all. No, yeah, okay, I hit it all. I guess I got the middle here. Up we go. Oh god. Please.
I'll disable this lift once you reach the top. That'll slow them down.
Alright. What do you mean your whole katana? I'm stuck. There we go.
Shall we let the flood consume our holy city? Turn high charity into another of their religious hive. No enemy has ever withstood our might. The floods too shall fail.
Dude, you killed one of your counselor, and also your entire city is at this point ravaged.
There's something inside the ship, a presence, fighting back. For a Covenant construct, it's unusually formidable.
That's something to know. This feels like a really bad idea to come in right now. Very bad. Excuse me, I'm just gonna go. Okay, so the game is asking me to snipe.
Shall we let the flood consume our holy city? Turn high charity into another of their religious hive. No enemy has ever withstood our might. The floods too shall fail.
Not gonna need a good sniping close here.
I'll do what I can to slow the launch sequence. There's something inside the ship, a presence, fighting back. For a Covenant construct, it's unusually formidable.
Oh my god, wow, he is dodging my stuff really well actually. Wow. Not the greatest science in here, but it is what it is. The better I clear out this area, the better. As much as I feel that I'm camping, I think there's a better chance. Oh shit, I'm useless. And this guy is on my base. That's some more stuff. I don't think I can go through one now. Oh. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh, there we go. Now I got this. Alright. That's gonna pick up for. Alright. Let's continue deeper. Time is slowing the ship down, and we gotta get up there and cross the lake. Well, before this entire fish get infested, then we also become infested. That's not a good sign. Actually, why do I need to care about those? Oh god, I'm turning on the flashlights. Screw this, I'm not throwing it anymore, dude. Let's go keep it. Come on. Seems like I need to go this way. Or that way. Actually, this way seems better. Not sure. Alright, I'm good for now. Yeah, I'm good. Running to the dark is quite something. Oh, I guess the flood won't even with a very aggressive route. That was what really think it was a hard to kill. Those guys just instant kill that thing without caring. Why are you zombie stuff? Because it's just like a zombie in my opinion. I don't know why. Does anyone feel like that?
Parasite did not defeat the Force, and it shall not defeat us.
Oh, okay. Oh god, a hive mind that speaks, that controls in a way, very corrupted form. Not what anyone wants to see or hear. At all. Oh shit. What the? What the? I hear something. Let me just dodge these guys. I'm not that now. Oh, look, they gave me 3 carbine. Nice. Another shotgun. Before.
Security systems in this part of the tower are particularly robust.
Whosoever is weak by fear taking me, I am not afraid. Noble mercies.
Whoa, there's one more rocket. There's one more rocket.
Wise counsel ever in my ear.
Alright, let's clear out these small guys here. Alright. Whoa! I actually didn't know what killed me. What in the world? I just got shot out of thin air.
Security systems in this part of the tower are particularly robust.
I'm surprised that this guy survives. No, sit down. This is the guy with the shotgun. I think he got me. The one that got me. That's the one. By the holy of RPG.
Whosoever is gripped by fear taking
No,
heed.
still dead.
I am the prophet of truth, and I am not afraid.
Oh, don't be afraid when I get close to you with this shotgun. Aim my
Wise
face.
counsel ever in my ear.
We exist together now. 2 corpses in 1 grave.
That's not creepy at all. Unless I left the rocket.
The Prophet Hierarch's private quarters, their inner sanctum.
Oh, shoot. Oh, never mind. Oh shit, sorry. Never mind then. I thought there were going to be a little bit of a scuffle as the jump was. Well, I guess I'll take it out of here. No need to worry about these small guys jumping down the ramp where I'm going up. We've got opportunities there for the enemies. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign at all. You guys go fly. I'm just gonna leave.
This crisis will not be the end of us. It is but one last hurdle before the journey.
I know something.
And salvage.
Oh god, sick. It's the blood that they're actually swallowing me. Okay. Whew. They're taking me alive, this sucker. I didn't even shoot that guy, he just popped dead. No. No. Shotgun only is a very unhealthy thing. Oh gosh. He also has a sniper. Oh fuck. Yeah, I was not surviving that anytime soon. Enough ammo and everything. It's not good. Okay. Really? Yeah? Okay. Oh, they didn't. Oh, those police don't move at all. Right. I feel like I'm gonna shoot them a little bit and then get a shot while I'm not looking. I don't know why. I had a sneaky feeling and suspicion.
This crisis will not be the end of us. It is but one
Shit.
and salvage.
No. I need a gun, but the only problem is I have to get to all of those. Actually, I miss a gun. Oh, there we go. Kill and the Ken's shield guys because I feel more worried than the others due to the fact that I am the better. Come on. Why are you shooting when I'm dead? Okay.
This crisis will not be the end of us. It is but one last hurdle before the journey.
Oh god, this is very close. Is that a pistol? Okay. Do that. Why does it do? Actually, that's better. Actually, that's not even better. That's even worse. Oh, well. Okay, my copies well. Oh. What a fighter. Okay, calm down. You know? Can't go without an empty shot. Therefore, you cannot go down, for sure. Right. Ow. How am I missing those shots? How are you surviving these shots? Okay, that was questionable. Oh, clap. Nice. Beautiful clap. Alright, time to switch off this guy. Open. Oh my god, did they actually force you to fight with this?
Brood and elite ships are engaging one another all around High Charity. I'm running out of options, Chief. I can't stall the launch sequence much longer. The next lift will take you up to the conduit. Hurry!
Why they're controlling the elevator here, Katana?
The history of the Arbiter is one of both legend and infamy. Their name has been corrupted by great shame, though the contemporary is perhaps the most confounding of all. Thel 'Vadamee was born of noble blood, the legendary House of Vada. His family's renown demanded great expectations for his military career, and he would meet them all. the youngest to achieve the status of shipmaster, and one of the youngest to gain the rate of supreme commander. In our campaign against the humans, few have risen to renown as Vadami. World after human world, all laid low for the sake of the great journey. But then came Halo. Shame unto shame. He failed his greatest charge, and the sacred ring was desecrated. By such disgrace, Thel Vadami became the Arbiter. As a mere scribe, I do not challenge the word of the Hierarchs, but I would be remiss not to voice concern. This Sangheili should have been put down, publicly slain as an example to all of our prayerful expediency. With the discovery of a second ring and the changing of the guard, all things are in jeopardy. Will this Arbiter remain loyal? Or will he stand with his people as they are abolished by our newfound might? I would never openly challenge the divine proclamations of a hierarch, but this Arbiter is a risk I would not have tolerated. And I now fear the days of the Covenant are numbered.
Well, yeah, no shit. You technically killed a bunch, betrayed their trust. You really killed a bunch of them for no absolute reason. And you're like, yeah, this guy? Yeah. No, nothing serious. Okay. Okay, you just literally caused a life crisis. I like a life crisis. It's more like something else. I can't put my word to it, but it's yeah, I really can't put my word to it. Okay, I'm in the main generator.
I knew the Covenant was good at repurposing Forerunner technology, but this is amazing. They've been using the Forerunner ship's engines as an energy source for the city. The ship isn't so much launching as it is disengaging, uncoupling itself from High Charity's power grid. Stopping truth, that's all that matters.
Now is the time of our unworlding. The moment we shall all become as gods.
What the? You're down.
You know the plan. You've got to stop truth. I've got to handle the index. Go!
Where do I go? Oh, over here. Alright, please, Katana, can you open that freaking thing so I can, I don't know, wait before they kill me? Oh, goodness sake. I'm gonna jump off the edge. Oh. That's hilarious. I died. The cutscene starts for it.
Stopping truth, that's all that matters.
Now is the time of our unworlding. The moment we shall all become as gods.
Jeez, combo power
You know the plan.
much?
You've got to stop truth. I've got to handle the index. Go!
Alright, I'm going. There we go. Katana? Good enough. Got it.
Chief, when you get to Earth, good luck.
After I'm through with truth.
Don't make a girl a promise if you know you can't keep it.
I don't know why they still focus on the human instead of the flood. It just seems to be more friendly, in my opinion. Even as a high council, I think they would see that, but then again, the great journey and all. So I can't really say that.
What is that place? Where the counselors were meant to watch the consecration of the Icon. The start of the great journey. There is still time to stop the key from turning. I must get inside. Then mount up, Arbiter. I know a way to break those doors.
Alright, in the next episode, we'll be working with our old guy to invade this giant building where the Great Journey begins. In the next mission of the Great Journey, this is Gwen signing out. Have a good day and a good night.